Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is Jessie, and in today's video we're doing a DIY wall hanger, and it's a project for my son's school. So he's to take this in on Monday, January 6th, where I hope we're busy. I just decided to record and make it content for today, and to show mothers that they can use simple things at home to do a project, right? So we're working on the floor. We're trying not to be too messy, and we're trying to use everything that we have in the home. So today we're using some leftover spoons, right? Because I used to sell ice cream, and I have these spoons from that. So we're using those spoons. I have some. I'm exploring with an idea right here. So I'm sitting on the floor. These are some pearls I had from a pearl, what you call that thing that you wear on your hand? Bracelet, right? And I'm also going to probably use this drinks bottle. I cut it already, but we need to cut it down some more to probably about this side. I want to put it in the center and then put the pearls in the middle of it for it to look like a little flower or so on. My glue gun is over there. It's well hot, right? I have the scissors over here. We have the glue sticks over here. We're trying to use every little thing. We have the leftover spoons and so on. So we want to use these. Yes, and as you can see, cardboard is the base that we're working with. After we're finished here, planning to use the spray paint to spray the spoons, having it look so magnificent. Alright, so stick around and stay with us and see what we will come up with at the end. Alright, so of course, you know Jay is going to be my videographer right after this intro. Alright guys, so stick around and you will see what we're going to do next. Alright guys, so right now what we're doing, we're cutting some spoons to create a little decoration there in the center. And of course, alright, so then we're gonna use a glue gun, create a little thingy like this, something like that. So let's go guys. So we're using the glue gun. This glue gun is very old, but it has use. Yeah, we're not throwing it away because it has use, people. Alright, so trying to make something interesting out of plastic. And of course, it's important to assist your children with their assignments as parents. So that's what we're really doing. Alright, and I know it's his work, but his safety is also important. So I'm going to be showing him doing some of the work as well. But I'm doing the most dangerous part of it, and then I'll allow him to do the other parts that aren't so terrible. Alright, so trying to create a little effect. And as I said before, it's going to be a wall hanger. Right? DIY guys. Do it yourself. Alright, so it seems like we need about probably 2 more. Let's see if 1 more will work. Alright, that doesn't look too bad. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I guess we could put some more in there to create an effect like that. We could try. What do you think, J.U.?
I think you should do that.
Alright, so we're gonna try it and see how it looks, people. We need probably about 2 more or 3 more. We're gonna try 3.
3 more?
We're gonna try the 3 of them and see how they look.
Oh.
I want to achieve an effect like that.
Like a flower.
Yeah, definitely. So it's gonna probably take 4 then, you know.
Yeah, 4.
Yes, it's gonna take
definitely 4.
So hit us up in the comment section, guys. Tell us what you think about this project. Tell us how it looks. Tell us, share your thoughts. Alright, do you do things like these at home with your children? Let us know, as I said, in the comment section. Alright, it's gonna look good, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna go ahead and add these 4. So we're definitely gonna take them out. Then we're going to let's put the glue in the middle of it, all of it, and see if we can work with it like this before it gets cold. Alright, so there we go. Let's see how fast we can do this. 1, 2, 3. 1 more, guys. Here we go. Alright. So there we go. Awesome. So what we're going to do, we're going to add the pearls in the center, right? So we're going to add the pearls, but we don't want to add the pearls now because we want to spray it first. So we're going to add the pearls after to create that nice pretty effect in the center, having it look like a flowers, right? So we're going to allow this to dry, and then we're going to come back and show you when we're spraying it. And we definitely have to go outside for that section. But this is what it looks like so far, guys. Let us know what you think. Our DIY wall hanger. Stick around, guys. This is Jesse's motivations.
Oh.
Alright, people. So we're trying to put on the holder for our hanger. So we are sticking this into the hot glue, and we are hoping that it will hold it. Okay, so we've turned it over, putting some glue over it. We're trying to let it stay there, right, in one place. So when it dries, this is how we're gonna be putting it up on the wall. Ta-da! So we're gonna hold it like this. Oh my god, big flail. It needs to dry. So we're gonna let it dry. Alright, so stick around when next is here. We're gonna be spray painting our DIY wall.
Oh my god.
Okay guys, so after applying the spray paint, this is what the front looks like. We want to turn it over and then do the same. So we're about to do that now. the back of it. We're going to allow it to dry. And there
Wow.
it is, guys. My son's DIY wall hanger completed and hanged. This is what it looks like, the completed version. I'm loving it. This is really beautiful. Alright, so if any of you would want to decorate your walls in your home, this is what you can do to have a lovely wall hanger. Alright, give this video a thumbs up and share with me in the comment section what you think about this wall hanger. This is Jessie saying goodbye for now. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.